Alright, guys, welcome to the live stream. Thank you guys for joining, even though there's not a lot. I apologize if I were to put the wrong timing. So I actually wanted to put at 3 p.m. Then I put it at 1300. It's supposed to be 1500. But anyway, thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for joining the live stream. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch this Learn Flutter app into the Android Google Play Store. Yes. So thank you, Abhishek, for being understanding. Thank you for your patience. Hi Shivam, what's up, man? Oops. Hi Shivam, what's up? How are you guys doing? So I guess let's see our app right now. Today will be step by step on how to launch your, a simple Android app, I would say. So, I guess some people ask me on LinkedIn, maybe on Instagram, on what is like the roadmap to be like a Flutter developer. So, first of all, you have to make your goal very specific. If you want to get a job as a Flutter developer, my number one advice is to actually release an app in the Google Play Store, and also make sure that you have some users or you can be your own user. All right. So for myself, I have this Learn Flutter app, and if you want to have a sneak peek on this app, then you should sign up in the newsletter down below in the description, because this is going to be like the very alpha version, so it's very very new. Hi Tekis, welcome to the live stream. So yeah, how are you? Yeah, I'm pretty good today. I really want to release this side project. So this is the live stream number 16. So it took me 16 hours to really build this whole thing. And this is like I would say it doesn't have a database that's listening to. So there will be more things to come. Hi Varun, thank you for joining this live stream. All right, so basically, I have this Learn Flutter app. It's basically like a quiz app where you answer questions, and then if you were to submit, you could see that you got it right, and then you can show the explanation as well. Right? So it's pretty simple. So, yeah, I'm going to go through that. I thought I did some changes, but let me see. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions for me about Flutter or whatnot, do pin me in the pin me, do put it inside the live chat. If you want to support me, you can do also super chat, right? I'm struggling monetarily. But yeah, so actually, for you guys at the same time, I'm also going to help you find jobs, actually help you find jobs. So let me wait, okay, so I will tell you more about it later in this live stream, but I guess I'm very thankful that people are recognizing my work on LinkedIn. So one CTO of a very famous Flutter app actually asked me uh, to find people for his startup. And yeah, if you've been using Flutter, there's this particular app that you always hear about. The first app that Flutter promotes, the CTO went into my DMs and asked me whether I have people that is able to, are interested to work in his startup. So I'll talk about it later on. But yeah, have you built this app such that it can work properly on iOS? Not really. So honestly, I only put in 16 hours, which is not a lot. Maybe at most 18 hours to this side project, which is not a lot, honestly, because I guess it is this whole live stream is to really talk to you guys, and also at the same time, to I want to build this Learn Flutter app. So yeah, and I guess it's a good way for me to get users as well, because you guys see the whole process on how I do stuff and such. Okay, so basically what I wanted to do is I don't want this show explanation. It cannot be clicked. Okay, so I want to uh, have this show explanation thingy. So show explanation. All right. So before I release it, I want to not show this Zukun button on press is completed. All right. So if it's completed, then I will show this Zukun button. Zukun is my company that I've incorporated. Yeah, so let me remove this as well. So if it's not completed, then show this explanation bottom sheet. Okay, so cool. All right, so let me restart this. Oh, sorry. If it's completed, then show this Zukun button. Apologies. Okay, cool. So basically, you go alignment, answer the question, and then if you submit, then you can see the explanation. Cool. All right. I'm interested in the work. Got 4 apps in the store. Hi, Daniel Edim, and I love your process. Thank you so much. Yeah. So basically, I will talk to you more about it later on in this live stream. So make sure that you ping me at like the 1 hour mark or something like that. Okay, how much lesson in this series? How much lesson? I don't know what you mean by lesson, but I have 16 live stream. So if you want like the, I don't know, what's it, the source code of this whole project, you can watch through the live stream. But basically the live stream is just to talk to you guys about Flutter and live and whatnot. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this very simple app. I wanna really just push. So basically, like in the first live stream, I didn't even do a lot of coding. I actually did a lot of like design work. So a lot of it has dumbed down a lot until like I will show you. I'll show you. So Figma. I don't know if I'm logged in into my account. Okay, cool. I am. Finance, prototyping. Okay, this is not it. What? Linktree clone. Yeah, so I actually this is more okay, so I think it's another one, so I have to log in with another one. Let's see if this is the one. Authenticated as Harizunku at Gmail. Okay, cool. So I do have the wireframe thingy that I actually built from Figma, and initially it looks something like this, pretty similar. So if I were to like, for example, when you want to build an app, I will ask you to create a simple wireframe for you to actually do your stuff. So like for example, initially I want to have 3 tabs, right? Home, learn, and more. But I only invest very few hours. So I guess I have less than 16 hours of like coding. And I'm also talking to you guys in the live stream as well. So I created like this kind of designs and like for every like for example, if you go to the question screen and you do the answer pick, and then if you have the wrong answer, what it's supposed to look like, if you have the right answer, what's supposed to look like, and the explanation, what's supposed to look like, that kind of thing, right? So there's a lot of things that goes into building an app rather than coding. So yeah, that's one important component. And how I got inspired by this design is from, if you guys know, Brilliant sponsor me, man. Okay lah, I'm not there yet, but Brilliant. So I really like this website, and yeah, they have their own app. They have apps? No, they don't. Yeah, so they have an app that is pretty cool that I really like. Okay, so I'm already inside the documentation on how to build and release an Android app. Ooh. Okay, before that, I want to save some changes. So, show no change to show explanation button once finished. To show explanation once finished. Once answered. Once completed. Question. Okay, whatever lah. All right, so yeah, so I'm going to like from scratch. Okay, first of all, I need to have a um I need to have a Google developer account. I think I have no idea. So it's been long since I've actually released an app through the Google Play Store. Yeah, it's Google Play Console. So I guess the Google Play Console, for its like membership, it's like a forever thing. You have to pay like, oh, it's $25. I thought it'd be more expensive. So now the way you're working, a lot of companies gonna want to sponsor you. We'll see. I'm not that popular. But I'll try my best. Is what I will always say. Harizunkov at Gmail. Okay, cool. So create a new developer account. $75. You will be asked to verify your identity. This will be visible to users on Google Play. Secondary account, contact email. So I probably want to build it under this email as well. 25 USD. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not very poor. I don't know. So public developer name. This will be visible to users on Google Play. So I just write my own name. Haris Samingan. Yep. Secondary contact email. Okay, so I'm gonna do this not on the live stream because yep. Sensitive, right? Okay. So basically it's pretty simple. You need to add in your different contact details, and this will let you know the Google Play console if you are legit. Okay, so I confirm, create account and pay. Damn, I need to pay. People, guys can sponsor me. $25. Oh, I don't have my company account. I should brought my company account. I'm able to add my own one. Well, let me just put in my own one. All right, so okay. So how you guys doing right now? It's how's the situation in your country? If you are in Singapore, you probably know Singapore is still pretty cool. Nothing much that is going on around here, I would say. So yeah. Other than that, nothing much I can like. Yeah. So let's see. Sorry if I'm lagging behind. Lifetime. Yeah, it is just got one app up. Okay. So I think Varun, I talked to you earlier on LinkedIn, and finding jobs in this current market, I would say, I mean, if you were to compare to the pre-COVID, yes, it's a little bit harder to find developer jobs, especially in this current economy. I would say, like a lot of businesses are really thinking on whether they are able to survive this year because there is news like from so the minister of the some in Singapore is saying that what 2023 COVID, I don't know lah. I'll just write global line for coronavirus vaccines. Yeah, so vaccines will be like probably stretched to 2023. So it's another 2 years, and a lot of like countries are not opening their borders because globally we depend on travel to do businesses, especially Singapore. So if you're Singaporean, yeah. In Nigeria, nothing much really. Hopefully, like I wouldn't say we should be too complacent about this because honestly, anything can happen. One person can just like have the thing and then go to a crowded place and then everything spreads. And um, like in the UK, there's a new strain that's even more contagious. So there's a lot of things going on, and I guess it's a little bit not negative, but in a more realistic point of view. So, but anyway, coming back to like finding a job, don't give up. Always make your portfolio and resume as attractive as possible because yeah, I guess tech companies are still hiring developers, so I wouldn't say it's not impossible. Like for example, airlines. If you work in the airline industry as a maybe a pilot, I think a lot of countries are not able to support the airline industry because there's no point. There's no flying of airplanes except for maybe um, getting food from other countries. Yeah, so that's the sad part, but that's fine, right? I mean, yeah. So we'll see how it goes. I published 6 apps, but no income. So the thing is about publishing apps don't have that stigma of thinking that when you publish an app and then you try to monetize it, you will have income, because like I say, it takes more than code to you know have users on the app. You need marketing as well, and at the same time, if you want to create if you want to earn money from an app, then you really must have added value to the person who's buying a service or add-on or the app itself. So it's not the era where when the App Store and the Google Play Store was like its infancy. You build an app, people will just buy because why not? But right now there's so many apps. How are you different from the other apps that is the same as you? So it's really something that you have really to think about. So for this app that I'm building, it's really a lot on for fun and see how it goes. And at the same time, hopefully I can experience and teach you guys on how you can make, or if this app is successful, then I can teach you guys on how to make a successful app. So I guess that's the idea on this building an app, right? If it's not successful, I'm able to teach it in a way, yeah, to for Flutter as well. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is actually I'm putting money into my account. Whoa, what is wrong, man? Yep. So how many apps have you guys published? I honestly only published one app, and it was when I was a developer for a startup. And how they get users is they actually buy ads on the Google Play Store and the App Store. So that's where a lot of because there's a lot of competition out there to install your app. So there's a lot of things going on around building an app as well, like I said many times. All right, so I'm gonna make a transfer of like how many, what's 25 USD in SGD. So what do you guys think about the app? I don't know, of the Learn Flutter app. Will you guys use it? I do have like the email list of people who sign up for the app itself. So yeah, there is some people who are interested. We'll see how it goes. 25 USD. If I convert 25 USD to SGD, let me put in 40 SGD bucks just in case. Then I can just get it from my company's account. 360. Yes, cool. Hopefully it's not 400 or something. Okay, 3 franc account. All right, so I don't get. Yeah, okay lah. It's not a lot of money. 34 SGD. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Are you working freelancer? So, like yes and no. Like currently, I have one client that I'm still talking to on building an app for the client. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, for me, I try not to work as a freelancer because I really like doing what I'm doing. Because if I were to work as a freelancer, it takes up time from what I'm actually doing. Apps I build as a freelancing project for clients and upload on the client account. Do I still count that as mine or my work? So this is a freelancing project for clients upload on the client account. Do you still count that as mine or work? Okay, good question, Daniel. So do you count the app that you build for your clients, yours or theirs? So in your situation, it would be the client's one because you are building the app for the client. So it's the same thing as building a house. If you were to build a house for the tenants or the future people who's going to live in the house, right? It is their house because they buy it. But the people who build it is the people who just build it, right? So it's the same as like people working in factories building iPhones. Is the iPhones theirs? No, it's the people who's going to buy it in the future. So if you want to show your work, if you want to reflect the work on your portfolio or resume, I think it's best if you were to ask your clients, or the best is you tell your clients, ask your clients at the start of the freelance project, can I put your project in my resume or portfolio? And then do you mind in, sharing some code of the project so that I can, have a better chance and blah 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 whatever, right? So there's a lot of like ins and outs of like how you are able to showcase your projects. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so my developer account has been created. Cool. Great. Oh, it's been so long since I've like let, let's see. Okay, did they change anything? Faster, So let us one thing. We're experiencing longer than usual review times. That's pretty normal. Yeah, they do change certain things. Maybe user horizon curve. Yeah, I think so. Google Play Console. So what's this? Missing required for accessing all apps. All apps. So I can create an app. Cool. Alright. So I'm gonna create an app. Let's call it Learn Flutter app. Or is it Learn Flutter Code? my company's name. Then English United States. I rather use UK, and then you can change this. So mine is an app. It's free. Sorry if you guys can't see. Okay, it's free. And then what's this? Confirm the app meets the developer program policies. So please check this is how to create policy compliant app description. Restricted content, not impersonation, IP. Deceive it hurts user, don't rely, nope. Privacy, yeah, I don't even do, I don't have anything as well. Monetize, nope. Store listing, malware, spam, family, mobile, unwanted, other enforcement. Nothing much, so it's really very static. For some clients I develop, but so many of them just don't publish it. So is it the developer's fault or the client's fault? For some clients they don't publish it. So like I said earlier, you don't need to publish to show your work. Examples are you can do screenshots, and then because yeah, you can just use screenshots. Sometimes clients want to say, oh, let's sign a non-disclosure agreement, meaning that you can't show the work that you're doing. For example, you're building a client's app, and then the client say you cannot show this. So it's really according to your relationship, how the different boundaries that you have. Most of the time, if I don't have freelance experience, but for this kind of NDA thing, I will tell them, I respect the NDA, but in the end, I feel that if you're not going to publish the app, might as well help you. Might as well I can help you promote the app for you in the future if you want to publish it in my portfolio, that kind of thing. So you always have to think on the client sides, like why are they making it an NDA or something? Is it the first, or is it like is it the first time that they are using your services to build an app, or is it like really a service that nothing in this world has been created? But a lot of times you can have the best ideas, but execution actually really matters, and luck as well. Anyway, so I'm going to add in these declarations. So US export laws, yeah, because Google is in US. Yeah, so I think it's pretty simple. Yeah. All right, so let's see. Okay. Get started setting up your app. So, wow, this is really new. Wow, they made it nice. The last time I had it was not this nice. Not this nice. Okay, so let's go through step by step. I think you guys are probably more experienced than me. Let me drink some water because I'm talking a lot. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Did I answer your question? So is it developer's fault or client's fault? So I would say it's your fault because you are the one who didn't tell them in advance that you are able to show the work that you have done. Yeah, but it's okay. I mean, you learn from your mistakes, right? Because like when people look in your portfolio or your resume, you really want to see the apps or the work that you have done so far. But if you don't have any, it's a bit hard to trust you in terms of your technical skills. But there's other ways to show off your technical skills, like creating a YouTube channel or writing Medium articles or posting stuff on LinkedIn. So like I say, social media, make use of your social media. Yeah. So I mean, for me, I've been a proponent. I've always loved social media because I love to share. So that's why what I'm doing right now is something that is really in tune to what I am. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna create a launcher icon. So the launcher icon, check out Flutter Launch Icon Package. All right, so let's see. So you can do it manually using the following step. Review the material design product icons guideline. Hopefully I can do everything. All right, so Flutter Launch Icons. Set up the config. This is really something very new. So it has to be flat or something, lighting study or whatnot, icon size, whatever. I don't know. So in the app directory, Android app, place icons in folders named configuration qualifiers, the default MIP map. So update the application tag Android icon to reference icon to verify that run your app and inspect the app icon in the launcher. Okay. So let me destroy this. Okay, so basically I need an icon. Uh, I really don't know. Flutter launcher icons. Uh, book. Add your Flutter launch icons. Create Android launch icon. Image path assets icon PNG. Shown below. More complex examples can be found in the example project. So flavors default. Okay. I know there is a service for icons. No. There is Android app icon. Google Play icon design specification. Set icon for Android application. Launcher icon generator. Yes, I knew there was something. Oh my god, that's so cool. Please choose a valid image. Okay. So basically I want a launcher icon. App shortcut icon, shapeshifter, simple. Wow, this is this is good. It's so material design. I love it, man. Cool. Like put this, right? Okay, so I want to put my own launcher icon as well. Okay, so let me go to Canva. I'm gonna put a simple L. So if you guys don't know my logo, let's see. As you can see, I've used a lot, like used stupidly a lot lah. Okay, so I want to use an image. Yep. LFC. Should I use an LFC or just an L? I don't know. Learn Flutter code. Maybe I'll use this. Let me download this. Which browser are you using? So I'm using Brave. So Brave is a browser that helps me to block ads. So if you were to type Brave, so it's created by the Twitter co-founder, if I'm not wrong. Free open source web browser. So it's 3 times faster than Chrome and it has better privacy. Uses 35 less battery on your mobile. So we block ads for you, block data and harmful ads and tracker. Yeah, so they block trackers and basically censorship for you. And then they have their own like coins as well. So yeah, we can do that as well. App icon site. App icons. App icons. Let's see. Oh, app icon generator. Oh, that's cool. iPhone, no, I don't want. I want Android only. Okay, I mean, let's see. So, file name. Change file name for all generated Android images. Oops. 1024. Oops. Is this 1024? Let me copy this whole thing first. So we're gonna create a design of a custom size 1024 and 1024 iOS icon. Yeah, sure. Oh, cool. Wow, they have their own icon pack here as well. Nice. Well, I have my own. Hee hee. Hee hee. Um. Oops, no. Da, da, da. Yeah, this looks fine. Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. Maybe I should put an L. Let's see. If there's like three. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Sync pass. Da, da, da. Oh, very simple. Simple. Can. It's the default IC launcher in Flutter. I have no idea what's that, man. Bruh. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm like super confused on what is what. Changing the name, it crashes the app. Ooh, really? I didn't know. Okay, let's see. Hmm. So got the meat map stuff, right? Like circle or something. Changing the name. I have no idea, man. It's been so long. I'll probably like have a lot of errors. So go together, come together. Or the name IC launcher. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. But it's super cool, man. I like it. Wow, this is super cool. Yep. Let me put an image. Let's see how it looks like with the icon. Oh, okay. I think it looks okay, right? I don't know. You can change the launcher icon package to change app icon. You can also change the launcher icon package to change app icon. It also allows changing the name of the files. Okay. Yeah. I'm like, yeah, guys. No idea. I really have no idea how to do this. But don't worry. I'm just gonna go through step by step. This launcher icons thingy. Too much for me to handle. I mean, this basically sizes your icons and add in for you in a way. I don't know. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna okay, in the app join, place your icon files name. Okay, cool. So let me go to the Android stuff. I don't want iOS. I want my Android and then app src. No, it's not src. App src min res. Okay, app src min res. So there's a different stuff. Okay, so what I can do is um, I can change everything. I can change everything. IC launcher PNG. So that's what I'm trying to say. It's default IC launcher in Flutter. Oh, okay, okay. So the name of the folder that I have is also called IC launcher. So that's a great thing, right? I have no idea, man. No idea. So MMHDA app. Okay. How do I do this? Copy this. So let me create another finder. Then I'm going to put in provider cost. No, it's not provider cost. I'm gonna release a course very soon about provider state management, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel or subscribe to the newsletter. Probably I will release it on the newsletter and YouTube and other stuff. But yeah, gotta do some marketing stuff as well. So stay tuned. Okay, let's go to Android. Let's go to app. Let's go to SRC, main, resolution. And then we have the different meat map, HDPI, MDPI stuff, correct? The folders, okay. Just, yeah. So I'm going to do that. Thank you guys. I'm just going to replace, apply to all, replace. Then let me use groups. No, don't use groups. Sort by name. So if I were to look into it, alright, so there's the different stuff. IC launcher, cool, drawable, I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, providers, yeah, it is a little bit confusing, but yeah, once you've done it, then that's great. It's really not very what do you call that? Oops, no, I don't want this. App info, let me delete, uninstall. Yeah, I mean, you could say that to a lot of what do you call that? Oh, what's this? My God. You can say that to a lot of things that you learn. So when you start learning something, it's like, what is this? But after a while, it's like, oh, okay, that makes sense. Because it's just uh, it's your brain trying to figure out package names. Oops, I need to rename my stuff. Okay, sorry. Learn Flutter app, a new Flutter project. So this description will be app that tests on your Flutter knowledge. Oops. Crack. Manifest. Nope. I'm kind of scared of provider because I haven't used it that much. I struggle with change notifier provider. Oh. Yeah, I guess the more you do it, the more you will. Hopefully, the course that I will release hopefully helps you make it simpler. Yeah, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Version 1.0. This version 0 0.1 save. Yeah, nothing much. Build name, build number. Quite comfortable with stream provider feature or proxy provider. Right. No problem. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so we map in Android manifest, update the applications tag Android icon attribute to reference icons from the previous. So Android manifest.xml. I mean, if I were to run this, right? Oops. Hopefully, it will show the learn Flutter code, and then at least I can see how it looks like. Yeah, Android manifest in the main one. Android label, right? Sorry, let me pause this. So the label will be not this, but this. Learn Flutter code. Then yeah, I think that should be okay. Then it says under the Android icon meet map IC. Yeah, that's the one. So the min.dart. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I guess you need a lot of practice in terms of state management to do stuff. Is it still okay to make a production level app without any packages like pro? Of course. Yeah, don't worry, man. Bro, I'm building a production level app. This is my production level app. It's like alpha, but it's something, you know. Wow, it's so small. Yeah, so that's the thing. It's about to use these state management tools. So like I say, it depends on what you are trying to do. If you want to build a very good looking app, then what do you call that? I will recommend you to um I mean, yeah, it depends. If you want to get a job, um, then trying out different state management and launching it in the Flutter app will really help. Otherwise, yeah, you have to really see how it goes. Yeah. Oh, this Learn Flutter app is it's not what I want. It's so small. You could see like super small, man. So I need it to become bigger. I need it bigger. Big. Um, maybe like this. So elevate. I don't know what does do. Square, circle. Oof. Tall rectangle, wide rectangle. The circle is a bit too much, so let me put it like this. Yeah. Square like this. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it like this. Um, yeah, I'm gonna release it today. Yep. Yep, I'm gonna release it today. So we'll see how it goes. Oops, sorry. Yeah. So I'm just like looking at the launcher icons. What the? Oops. Oh, it's already. Ah, damn. So, like this, like this. Sorry, I care a lot about design. That's why, like, yeah, I want to make it not say perfect, but I want to make it good. Okay, so I'm gonna replace the folders again, cause it looks damn small, bruh. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this, uninstall. Okay, then I'm gonna create another finder. Yeah, and then I will go to desktop, then learn Flutter app, Android app, src, main, res, and then I will just swap everything. IC launcher PNG, IC launcher PNG. Okay, correct. So let me put in these folders inside, replace them all, apply to all, replace. Cool. It should be, yeah, it should be this one. Okay, cool. All right. So now let's see inside the. Okay, it should be this the one. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, let's see again. Let's launch it. All right. Thank you, Master Adit, for joining. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Thank you guys for joining. Yeah, sorry I was too busy. I know how to edit Android Studio. No idea in VS Code. Oh, don't worry. I'm here to learn as well. So let's see. Hey, what? Wait, what? Why is it like this? Oh God, jolly, jolly. Wait, let me. Right. Okay. Right. So it really like. Okay. I think I got it. But why does it give me like this? So weird. Yeah. Hmm. Mhm. 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 So yeah. guys. What the hell? Drag or select image sets. Select your design base, 3 or 4. Try clicking on the rest folder. See if there's an edit option. I don't understand what I'm trying to say. Oh my god. Let me think. No, I'm just thinking to just make this like super big. So if I were to add an app like this, right? Then make this like span the whole like this, basically like that. Yep. Because if I were to compare, Flutter is something like that as well. So let me just make this like that. Okay, maybe put a little bit of space as well, so doesn't, yeah, something like this. Okay, then I can I guess download it. Yeah, sorry guys. So 30 minutes just doing icons. Even though it doesn't matter, but it matters to me. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna replace the folders again. Let's see. Downloads. Oh, okay, so it's untitled design. Yeah. Then just gonna generate the Android one. So yeah, app icons one also. It's okay guys, it's okay. Alright, then let me put this, open new tab. Take it out like this. Alright, so now let's go to the Learn Flutter app. Android app. This is so manual. Main resolution. Okay, cool. Then I'm just gonna highlight everything. Yep, and then just replace them. Apply to all, replace. Cool. Alright, so this should be like huge. Like, yeah. Okay, cool. This is what I want. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's close this again. I want to delete this app. Uninstall. Okay. There's definitely an edit option, but I want to make sure things goes according. Yeah. So yeah, I'm stuck at like, what do you call that? How long is this live stream? I don't know how long. 48 minutes. All right. Thank you guys for joining the live stream. Basically, I'm like step 1 of the whole app releasing to the App Store. I think it's fine. I really don't really care now. But yeah. Okay. So so I have my app icons, which is great. I mean, Flutter just put in for you the Flutter logo, so that's fine as well. Okay, then once it's done, next is signing the app. So to publish the Play Store, you need to give your app a digital signature. So use the following instructions. Yeah, so this is confidential, so I'm not going to show in this window. So let me go to terminal, and then I'm going to copy and paste as such. Unable to locate a Java runtime. Oh, damn. So key2 command might not be in your path, is part of Java, which is installed in Android Studio. For the concrete path, let me go to Flutter Doctor -v. Alright, so okay, maybe you guys can see this. Okay, so let's see. So I'm using M1. I don't know. I mean, definitely we need to use this key tool as well. So Android Studio, everything seems fine. There's the Java stuff as well. So I don't understand. Locate the path printed after the Java binary add. The what? Flutter doctor dash v. That's what I did, right? Um, dot plugin Java version runtime build. Doesn't say anything about Java stuff. Hello. If the path includes space such as use platform, for example. Hmm. Hmm. Java version, Android Studio applications. This is dash V. Hmm. Use the fully qualified path replacing Java at the end with key tool. This Java version OpenJDK runtime environment. How do you guys do this? For example, Mac Linux program files. Windows is program files. It's under Android SDK. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's here. Oh, I'm blind, guys. I'm blind. Oops. No. Key tool. Um, there's no applications. Okay, sure. CD desktop. No. How do you go to applications in your Mac? Program files. Developments, desktop. Oh, there. Applications. Sorry. Have our applications. Oh, but it's not. Hmm. It's not in this application. So this application have Brave browser and Chrome. I'm confused. It's under these applications, right? Where is this application? Get info. So this application is inside the Macintosh HD. More info. Dot. Yikes. Why? There's no applications. Okay, so basically I want to access the application. Or is it program files? Let's see. No idea, man. Nope. Access applications through terminal Mac. So you need this dash command in the finder. This dash applications. Dash applications. Oh, cool. Android Studio app key tool. That's permission denied. Grats. So do I need to sudo? God damn it. If you install Java, you need that. Well, according to this, you don't need to. Yeah. If your path includes space separated, yeah, then use the fully replacing Java at the end with the key tool. Permission denied. Let me just put this so I at least know. Blah blah blah. Whatever. Just add the permission to Gradlew to. No, I don't want that. Permission denied for Android app. Damn it. What's the error message that I see? ZSH, whatever, like this. Does it work? Gradle control macOS. I'll just do this. chmod, whatever Gradlew. There's no Gradlew. Interesting. Oh my god. I don't install Java because I'm lazy. How do I do this? Java. The key2 command might not be able. It's part of Java, which is installed as. I don't need to install Java because it's installed as the Android Studio. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, I don't want to use sudo. That's the thing. But no choice. Sudo. Nandeska? What? Oh, it doesn't work. Damn it. Okay, whatever. Whatever the case is. Unable to locate. Please visit Java. Why cannot? Permission denied. So for example, yeah, let me sudo, but without the key tool. Comma not found. Wait, was this the correct one? Sudo comma not found. Let's try. Comma, we're almost there. I know it. Alright, let's see. You are victim of new macOS Sierra security fault called Pluff. Read me. The simple way to get rid of this read only random path is to move the app binary to a different folder with Finder, not command line, not Pathfinder, just built in Finder. You will move the app to the quarantine. I've moved the application AVD device. Yeah, I mean PC, it has Java, I think. Seems you also run if you have Android installed. So just get Android and still the update toolbox. Okay, never mind. Let's see the applications. Cause in there's like this thing, which is so weird. I don't want to install Java. Oof. Okay, fine. I'm gonna install Java. Install Java M1. On this page. Okay, you know what? I don't know, man. Where's my key tool? Hey, where's the? See if your path includes space. Oh. Let's see the Flutter Doctor again. See if I have any other alternatives. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I agree, man. PC. Yeah, PC is great. It's definitely good for coding No, no, it depends actually. Because I haven't really coded in Windows or in PC for quite some time. Yeah. And I mean, definitely gaming on PC is like way better. That's why. Yep. Dot plugin Java version. So I want to see. So Java binary at this applications Android, right? Then you see the studio app. Oh, is this whole thing? Is it? Wait. Don't. Am I that stupid? Yes, I am. Okay, so I think it's this whole thing. Okay. Terminal. Where's the terminal at? Oh, it's here. Oh my god, why am I so dumb? Like this, right? Then key tool. God damn it. Then I just copy this whole thing. I'm close. I know I'm close. Oh no. Yes, guys, I did it. Oh my god, yes. Holy shit. Just Google now. See where the Java locator go in the bin. Yeah. Because I was the yeah, what do you call that? Okay, so what I'm going to do, right? Since I already have Java in Android Studio, I'm gonna go to my alias. Okay, shit, I forgot my alias for opening up. Shit. Okay, never mind. Dot zsh zrc is it? zshrc code. Oh no, sorry. Code dash insiders. Yeah, I'm gonna add it into my alias. So this is my alias. So Zach file. Oh my god. Who help me, guys? Okay, so basically, I don't want to like do this whole code thingy, which is annoying. So why there's sudo here? No need sudo, right? Wait, let me try again. Okay, cool. Right, cool. So now I'm just gonna create an alias because it's simpler that way. Then I write, what is it called? Key tool. Then I'll just add in like this. Yep. Yeah. All right. Cool. So now if I were to refresh it, then if I were to type in key tool, tada, sweet. Yeah. All right. Okay. Oh my God. So okay, it took me how long? 20 minutes probably. Yeah, it's probably 30 minutes. Okay, so I got my key tool done. Now I need this thing. Okay, so I won't show you the terminal cause it's private. Don't show things private. Okay, so I need to write somewhere. Have a napkin. Okay, all right. Hello. Oh, okay. So I have like for key store, right? You really need to remember stuff. Okay, so for this key store password, mm so I'm writing down my key store password. All right. Country code for Singapore. Even though this key store doesn't really need it, but let me just put it in. Key store, key store, key store. 2 letter country code. Let me just put Singapore lah. Famish. SG, woohoo. SG. Alright, I'm done. Sweet. So the JKS key store uses a proprietary format. Migrate to PKeyS, which is industry standard format using key tool. Whatever. I have no idea. Store the file where you can remember. I don't know where's my file now. Oh, it's here. Yes. Let me put inside my Notion. If you guys don't know what Notion is, I highly recommend you guys to use it. It's really good. Alright. Oof, I had a lot of things. Oh, I have a lot of screens that I didn't manage to do. But never mind. So I'm gonna add in my details. So I'm gonna put in the password and then okay, thank you Varun for the what do you call this? Advice. Okay, I'm going to remember where my file is as well. Okay, so I'm done with the key JKS. Okay, so what's the next step? In your home directory, if you want to store it elsewhere, change the argument pass to the key store parameter. However, keep the key store file private. Don't check it into public source control. Yes, that's what I also agree. Okay, next. Create a file name that contains the reference to your key store. Alright. That's why you need the what do you call that? The location, because you're gonna add this key store stuff. So we're gonna add in a key properties. At the same time, what's this? PubSpec YAML. Okay. This one, update version and description. And then for this Android manifest XML, update app name. And then this IC launcher thingy, just put everything. Update icon, app icon. Hi AJ, I'm a Singaporean. Varun is a student here. Varun, I don't know if you are Singaporean, but doesn't matter. Welcome. Alright, so I'm gonna create another file inside the Android. What do you call this? Yeah. So it's key underscore properties. Create a new file called key dot properties. Okay, and then copy this and then paste this as such. Password from previous step. Key alias. I don't know what's my key alias though. Damn. Key. Oh. Okay. So I'm not gonna show you the password because it's confidential. He even though it's like pretty obvious. And then location of the key store as well. Let's see. It's here. Okay. Okay. Pretty much done with the key properties. Next thing, let's see what's the next thing. Oops. I mean, let me screenshot this as well. 10,000 days. Created this key store for 10,000 days. Yikes. Just copy this whole thing and then paste in my Notion. Yes. This will be info of terminal key store. I'll put this in code so it's easier. Okay, yeah. Sweet. Alright. Yeah, what are you guys studying, man? Do you like Alright, next one. So after I reference the key store from app, the next one is we're going to configure the signing in Gradle. Okay. I remember the days when I had to do this. So we're gonna go to build Gradle. Android app build Gradle. Android app build Gradle. Okay, alright. So then add code before Android block. This thing. Alright. So let's do this. So it's this thing. Okay. So you put in the key store and such. Then you put the definition. So I guess these are like variables. I assume. Maybe it's not, but I don't know. Oh no. Why they put like this? Wow, that tab space is very big. Okay. So you have the key properties, new, blah blah blah. So load the key properties file into the key store properties object. How do you load? Oh, AJ is in the army. ORDO. Few more months to uni. Don't worry. You'll miss army life when you're in uni. Even though I'm not in uni, but yeah. Bachelor in IT, double major in system development, business technology. Interesting. Okay. So the key store, load the key.properties file into the key store properties object. Key store properties object. Which is what? I don't get it. How do you load the files? Is it telling me or is it explaining to me? Load the key properties file into the key properties object. Oh well, next. Add code before build types block. or it's explaining. So add the code. So this is like with the key information from the property files, load the key properties as such. Okay, cool. Was a little bit confusing, but that's fine. So configure the signing configs block on your modules build Gradle. So before the build type release. As such, signing configs, key alias, key password, store file. Yep. Add your own signing config for release build. Sign in with debug is for now, so Flutter run works. Oh, okay. Okay. What floats your boat? You can remove this. Then what's next? Build Gradle. Okay. Release build tab will now be signed automatically. After changing this, prevent cache builds. Okay. Let's do that. Flutter clean. Have you managed to integrate Flutter with Apple Watch support? Not really. Did I manage? No, I didn't do that. Yeah, I didn't do that because there was no need. But that would be cool though. It's like, for example, build a timer app on your phone and your Apple Watch. That would be cool. But yeah, I might or might not do that in the future. We'll see how it goes. For me, okay. On signing your app, see sign your app on the developer. Sign your app. App signing, generate key. Sure. Okay. This uses Android Studio for obvious reasons. Obtain new app, blah blah blah, whatever. Okay. Not a fan. Oh, creating an app takes a long time. Okay, so R8 is the new code shrinker from Google. By default, when you build or release APK or AAB, app bundle. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, alright. Yeah. Reviewing the app manifest. Review the default app manifest file in the Android manifest.xml located in the main file. Okay, cool. So Android in the main file. Right. This is where I put in the learn Flutter code thingy. Okay. Yep. Edit in the Android label the application tag to reflect the final name of the app. Yes, learn Flutter code. Correct. Then users permission. Add the permission internet if your application code needs internet. The standard template does not include this tag, but allows internet during development to enable confirmation. Oh yes, I need. So Android permission. Where did I put it? Users permission. So where did I put this? Hmm. Is it under application? Hmm. Android permission. How to create background notification in Flutter? Is there any package to do it? Background notification. I think there is a package, but I'm not sure. So add users permission internet Flutter. So it's this thing. So it's under the manifest XLMS before the application. Okay. So something like this. Android name, Android permission. IO app Flutterbase and Android application that calls Flutter main. In most cases, you leave this as is. Okay. I have internet access because of the image URL. Okay, so I'm done with this. So review the build configuration. Build Gradle. Local file, I use local. You can use FCM. This one very good and very clear. Yeah, FCM is Firebase something messaging. FCM, Android. Firebase cloud messaging. Yeah, it's something that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's local file. I use local notifications. Yeah, it is. I've never tried implementing notifications before. Yeah, but it works. That's all I can say. Okay, so review the default Gradle build. So build.gradle. So let's go to build.gradle Android app, and then Android app, verify the values. Android app, okay. So let's see the application ID. Specify your own unique application ID. So let's see how it looks like. Don't put com example. Remove this, remove this, remove this, remove. So you need to set the application ID. Interesting. Two segments, dot. Hmm. 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 I sound like the you know the humans in Minecraft. Okay, so .com learn Flutter code and learn Flutter app. Should I put it like this? I guess so. My app. Learn Flutter app. Application ID. Application ID. Is there a convention for application ID? I'll put it like that. Doesn't matter. Cause it's okay. Must be alpha, numeric or underscore. Sorry, what? Oh, I didn't go to any university in Singapore. Yep. I don't have a typical tech or IT background. Yeah. Hi RMG. I'm very good. I'm trying to release this app ASAP. Yep. Hee. Okay, so com.learn flutter code .learn flutter app. Hopefully that's a good convention. Sure, why not? Details. This is application ID. Okay. All right. So next thing is, yeah. So I don't have a. I didn't study in uni. I studied in uni part time. Like I don't consider it university, cause I rather go full time university. But now, honestly, like I've been applying to university in the past 2 years. Is it? Yeah. And to NUS, NTU, SMU, all that, but it doesn't work because they care about grades. Shocker. But yeah, it's something that Flutter version code to integer, Flutter version name. Yeah, so it's really yeah. Yeah, because I wanted to always try to. What is the difference between a version code and version name? Let me check. Specify the internal app version number and the version number display string. You can do this by setting the version property pubspec. Consult the version information guides in the version documentation. Version your app. If I'm not wrong, the version is supposed to be according to your pubspec YAML, right? If I'm not wrong. Yep. So 0.01. Specify the minimum API. I'll put it default. Building app for release. You have two possible release formats when publishing to the Play Store. I'm going to do app bundle. Yep. So it doesn't, yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna finish this very soon. Exciting. Okay, so in my terminal, um, let's run Flutter build and bundle. Okay, the release bundle will be at this. Okay, Flutter run app bundle. Flutter build and bundle. AJ, which university are you going to? Yeah, I mean either way, enjoy your uni life. Ugh. For me, I didn't have a full time uni life, so I don't. I've always been a working adult after I finished NS. Yeah, I've been working since then. So I used to be a psychology student, part time psychology student. After one semester, you can't really have a job in the psychology sector in Singapore, cause there's a lot of people, but very few jobs. While in the tech industry, there's a lot of jobs but very few people. So you see how it goes, you know. Yeah, so I'm very lucky that I guess I managed to switch early because like yeah, everything goes not bad like from what I've seen so far. Yeah, so right now I'm just building an app bundle. Hopefully it's the correct command. And yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna build an APK. Wait, test the app bundle. If you don't ever done so, download the bundle tool from GitHub repository. Deploy the APKs to connect that. Upload your app bundle to Google Play to test it. You can use the internet test track or alpha beta channel to test the bundle before releasing in production. Bundle to Play Store. Oh, nice. Oh, it's computer engineering, not computer science, but that doesn't matter. Yeah. Um, bundle tool. Yeah. So I mean, yeah. What mean is NUS? NUS is National University of Singapore. NTU is Nanyang Technological University. So these are Singaporeans university. Can switch to social work though. My empathy level very low. uh, I mean, you need to have a certain set of skills to do social work. I mean, for me, I guess I'm very into being a person who's doing his own thing. Yeah. So no matter what industry, I'll probably will still do some sort of like business, right? Whether it's in psychology or in tech. But luckily tech has a bigger uh way. I mean, it's easier for me to get a job as a developer rather than a psychology or even a social worker. And then yeah, I like coding because it's challenging and that's where the money is. Yeah, right. Okay, so remove unused binary from 45 to 31 kilobytes. Great. And my total app size 17 megabytes. That's very big for a very simple app. Okay, never mind. Okay, so publishing to the Google Play Store. Sweet. Three numbers 100 plus. Both the version and build number may be overridden by build name and build number. Version number, sweet. Okay, Affect is single application. Okay, doesn't matter. No, this app bundle, so it's not exactly the app size for. Okay, that doesn't matter then. Yeah. So I'm not gonna set up your app. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes. All right. So let's set up my app. Provide information about your app and set up your store listing. So view my task. App access ads restricted. If parts are restricted based on login credential, members, location. I don't have authentication yet. So if parts are restricted based on login credentials, in the future I would say, um, yeah. Okay, so I'm done. Yeah, you can post your Flutter app in the what do you call it? In the chat. I can have a look at it. Yeah, no ads. I'm very clean. Next, then content rating. Start questionnaire. So email address. So educate this present factual information in true way alert users. Yes. Is there like a choice? Or it is a choice. Utility, productivity, content aggregators. Nope. It's more educational. Yeah. No, 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 no. Does the app natively allow user to interact or exchange content? Nope. Does the app share the user's current feeds? Nope. Allow user to purchase? No. Okay. Wow, such a clean app. Great. All ages, everyone. Pizza, great. Yeah. Excellent. Very good ratings. Okay, next. Target audience. What are the target age groups? 18 and above. Store presence. Could you store unable to know? Eh? Design for children. Is it designed? You won't be if you go review your store ratings and make sure it doesn't ask if you think your store could appeal to children. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, doesn't really appeal to children as well. Yeah. Um, I mean, games definitely appeals to children. News app, no. Yeah. Oh, there was a news on take a few days. Should you check my it takes a few days for your app to get approved. Oh, does it? Wow, that's very long. I don't know because the last time I released Google Play, Android apps are like they are pretty fast, like less than a few hours. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So it's an app category, education, or can I put tech? Video, food personalization, maps, lifestyle. It's either education or tech. Where's the tech? Productivity. Oh, nice. Lifestyle, medical, libraries and demo. Libraries, new. Food, events, entertainment, dating, communication, comics, business, beauty. Nah, it's just education. Store listings. Email address. hi@zukunf.com. Then website is learnfluttercode.com/app. Any case we take, okay, sure. Manage tags. Oof. Search tags. Flutter. Mm. Oh, there's only a few. Ah, sure. Um, what tags do I use? Education, most likely tech and education. Education in tech. Yeah, technologies. It's not science. Health, education. Early childhood, no. Add filter. Let me put the education. Insurance. Humor. Haha. Okay, let me put education. How about tech? Coding. Language education. Sports. Tools. Travel and local. Yeah. I think there's a lot of Indians inside this chat. Yeah. Primary school study guide, test preparation, language, grammar. Yeah, I'm very generic. Education. Is that like tag? Tag? No. Coding? No. I don't know. Okay. Just education. Yeah, I guess so. That's done. Next is inactive. Inbox. Payments, Google Play, introducing new Google Play console. Great. Oh, nice. Great. Oh, that was June last year. So, okay. Okay. So I want to test through the Google Play console with the app bundle. Upload a bundle to Google Play. Internal test track. Okay. So I want to release it into internal test track because that's where it's the fastest. I'm not going to release this in the like public Google Play Store. Yeah. So let me see. App bundle, store presence. Yeah. It takes a whole team to actually run an app, to run a successful app. Yeah. So it's really, yeah. All right. Play app signing. No, where's the publishing overview? Dashboard. Set up your store listing. Test your small. Ah, yes, I want this. 100 testers. Sweet. Complete the initial setup task. Ah. Okay, let me set up my store listing. Test your Flutter knowledge with these quizzes and more. 4K with app icon. Oh. All right, so let's see the app icons. So I have a couple, so it should be this one. Your app icon is shown. Yeah, sweet. Feature graphic. Oh, I need a feature graphic. um, screenshot 7-inch tablet. Oh my god, seriously? 10-inch tablets. Ooh, how do I create this stuff? I got issue with Google Console keywords. It seems like it's not working for me. Got tips? Google Console keywords. Keywords, I'm not sure. I did not delve into keywords that much, but yeah. Let's see. Phone. Oh, what's this? Google Play phone. No, screen shot generator. I'm like super lazy. Screenshot generator. Okay. Try demo. Nani. Do I really need to set all of the different phone screen? 2 phone screenshots. Hmm. Upload to why? JPEG or 24-bit. So this will help you in the place in case of cropping, avoid place testing. Okay, sure. Let's see how long was this. 1 hour 40 minutes. What? This whole okay, so I'm gonna create the feature graphic promote. Sure, no problem. Okay, let's do this, guys. Haven't gotten a break yet. What time is it now, guys? 4:41. Okay. So 1024 by 500. Okay, let's do that. 1024 by 500. Okay, let's see. Should be a rectangle. Okay. Um, then I don't know if I have the Flutter app, the Learn Flutter app screenshot. This one. Yes, I do have it. Mm-mm. Is this an accurate one? I have no idea. Um, Probably go to Figma. That's more accurate. Yeah. Let's see Figma. 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 So this whole thing, going to export it. Then let's see how it looks like in this. Okay, it looks not bad. So I guess instead of white, make it light blue. It looks pretty nice. Then the text would be something along the lines of learn Flutter code. I don't know. Test your Flutter knowledge. Let's see. Learn something new. Test your Flutter knowledge and learn something new. I don't know, man. How do I do this? Test your Flutter knowledge. Maybe I make it like this. Make it in the middle or something. Maybe I put like this. And then I put this in the middle. This looks ugly, so I'm gonna put like this. Alright, so I guess pretty simple design. Yep. Maybe nah. Just do it like this. Make it very big. Then make this very big. Test your Flutter knowledge. Woo. Right? Something that catches the eyes of the users. Something I have no idea. I'm just winging it. The app launchpad.com. Ooh, let's see. Oh, this thing. There were like templates for like a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, that's nice. I mean, for me, I'm just yeah. Test your Flutter knowledge. Oof. So nope, nope, nope. Okay, so I'm gonna put this feature graphic here. Phone screenshots. So 320 to 34 between. Phone screenshots. Sorry, wait, what? Yeah, phone screenshots. I have this as well. So what's the dimension for like phone screenshot? Wait, let me see. What's their no? 16 to 9 for landscape screenshot. I want portrait. So 8 7 inch, 8 to 10 inch. Only phone screenshots enough. Right. Oops, sorry. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Oops. So these are my screenshots for the phone. Can I put like this? Cool. Right. Then tablet screenshots. 7-inch tablets. What's 7-inch? Do I need to put a 7-inch tablet? No. 7-inch tablet size. Dimension, sorry. Oof, I'm hungry. Have you guys eaten, man? Have you guys eaten? I use Catch Mac app. How's your M1 Mac going? Yeah, I'm using the M1 Mac to do this, and it's saying that YouTube is not receiving enough stuff, so it's probably because it's heating up a lot. How hot is the MacBook Air? Okay, it's very hot now, super hot. That's why it's yeah. But my CPU is like 10%, so we'll see how it goes. I might die later on. I mean, this might die. Wait, let me see if I can put a like 7, maybe like this. Will it kill me? Oh, sweet. Then I just put like this all. Nice. Save. Your changes have been saved. Sweet. Okay, cool. Let's go to the dashboard. Okay, nice. Okay, so test your app, select tester. Okay, all right. Create an email list to add a user, list name, CSV. Sweet. So I think all right. Yeah, yeah. How about list name? I don't know. Uh, I'll just Mailchimp subscribers. That's where most of the people are. Add email address. Put my one first. Don't see my email, guys. So I'm gonna put like Haris. Okay. So let me add this. Save changes. Create. Right. So one. So save changes. Create new release. Right. Let's see. Okay. Cool. Ah. I'll accept your terms. So I'm gonna upload. So I have to upload it from um build app outputs. Okay. Let me go to desktop. Learn Flutter app. Android app. SRC. Is it SRC mean? No. Sorry, it's build app outputs bundle release app bundle open noise. Oh my god. Oh, I need to sign in release mode, guys. Holy shit. That was so okay. So to build the app release. Hmm. Yeah, it is a release, no? In release mode. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Yikes. Okay, so I don't have to write. Okay. So basically I didn't the signing config was in debug, so I had to change it to release. Okay, so I have to do it again. Don't worry, no, nothing much. Like my laptop's very hot, so I'm not kidding around when they say very hot. Yeah, so I'm hoping. Hi Lakasetek, you can put open testing. Yeah. I mean for now I want to give the people who sign up for the Learn Flutter app email list to have the first dry run, I would say. Yeah. So because right now the app is very basic, which is not exactly great. But yeah, so hopefully this will uh, be better. Yes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yep. So I wouldn't do some open testing yet, but we'll see. Learn Flutter app 0.0.1. Okay, so I think it looks good. So release first version of Learn Flutter. Sorry. God damn it. Why got so many things one? Okay, never mind. It's okay. Alright. Okay, so I'm targeting 29. At least 29. So 28 cannot. Right, so never mind. It's okay. I don't have a cooling pad for my laptop, so that's a good idea. I do have like what do you call that? I forgot. I don't know. Okay, let's try again. Um, Learn Flutter app. So release name Learn Flutter app 0.01. We suggest a name based on the first app bundle or APK, but you can edit it. First version of Learn Flutter app. Learn Flutter code. So it's not Learn Flutter app, it's Learn Flutter code. Okay, so come on. Yes. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm gonna save this. Oh yes. Okay, so basically the first email that I gave to, right, is to my own email. So that's about it. So review, release. Alright, let's see. We found some problems. One warning. The app button contains native code and you've not uploaded debug symbols. We recommend you to upload symbol file to make your crashes and sorry, that's like Flutter stuff, right? Yes, start rollout to internal testers. Roll it out, bruh. Come on. Yes, baby. Yes. Alright, guys. We have finally released the first version in our internal testing. Oops, there's open testing as well. What's this? I don't know. I really have no idea. But I know I want to do internal testing. So create and manage open testing to make your app available to testers. Anyone can join your test on Google Play. Ooh, close testing. Create and manage one or more close testing tracks to test pre-release versions. Okay. Create and manage internal to make your app only to 100 internal testers. Yeah, I'm gonna do internal tests. Then maybe do pre-registration or pre-launch, whatever lah. But yeah, so I've already done that. So I've already launched my first Flutter app. Hopefully there's no bugs, and then I'm gonna do. Yeah. So okay. Now I'm going to, for those who join this live stream, I'm going to show you something on like the thing that I'm going to do for you guys to help get a Flutter job. So there is this guy. His name is Daniel Vestergaard or something. So he's actually the CTO of Reflectly, and he approached me saying that you guys see. So he stumbled on my profile. I think it's because I was sharing the neumorphic stuff. Yeah, you see the neumorphic widgets and classes. So he thinks that you guys, my students, must be the best around. So let me know if some of them are looking for exciting opportunities. We have a lot of openings to fill this year. So I'm assuming that he is trying to find Flutter developers for the Reflectly app, right? Then, so for me, what I wanted to do is to help him social media. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a simple Google form with like simple fields, text fields like name, email, LinkedIn, resume, and such. And this Google form will be attached to the. Oops. Are you guys online? Hello? Sorry for that. Yeah, so I will probably create a Google form for you guys and I'll release it in all my social media stuff, including my YouTube stuff. So you guys are the first one to know about it. yeah, so yeah, so I will share the Google form hopefully by today or tomorrow. Yeah, create a simple social media stuff thingy, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not looking for a job, but you guys are looking for one, right? So I'll probably ask him what he is looking for like a candidate, and maybe I wanna interview him. Yeah, have a simple interview through YouTube so you guys can learn how to be a Flutter developer, or what makes a good Flutter developer, because he's a CTO himself. All right, so thank you guys for joining in this live stream. We successfully have released the Flutter app in the internal tester. So if you have signed up for the Learn Flutter app newsletter in the description down below, you'll be the first one to be testing the app. Then at the same time, I think that's about it for now. So yeah, run the app, and it's in Android. So if you have iOS, I have an iOS phone. I have an Android phone as well. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So that's about it. Thank you guys for joining this live stream, and there will be more exciting stuff in next month. So see you guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much. You guys really helped me in the chat, man, on a lot of stuff, because it's been so long since I've released an app in the App Store. All right, so bye bye.